Hi everyone, my name is Alissa Winters. I just wanted to take a second to introduce myself. So I am about 2/3 of the way through my master's program here at Millersville. I'm getting my master's in ESL, so I'm really excited to see how this course kind of connects things I'm doing in my classroom as a 6th grade math teacher to ESL, to reading and writing strategies, and all of that. Like I said, I teach 6th grade math. I teach for Manheim Central Middle School. It's a great district. I've really enjoyed all of the initiatives that they're doing, the support that we've had. I get to teach one regular section that has IEPs, 504s, and ESL kiddos, and then I also get to teach 2 advanced sections of our math course, and that is full of GIEPs. So I have like the full range of needs and accommodations and all of that, but that kind of makes my job really interesting, which is kind of fun. I also was a math nerd growing up, so math was a great fit. I know middle school math is not everyone's cup of tea. Outside of education, I have a dog. Clearly, he just barked. I also love to coach. I coach cross country for our middle school team. And then I also just love to run in general. So you might see me at some local races, out on the trails, or roads, or wherever. So yeah, really love to run. Found a good community in that as well. And then I volunteer with our church youth group. I help out with our 8th grade girls and do some other things around church as well. So life is very busy. I feel like that is all of us though. So just kind of how we're getting through, which is totally fine. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting to meet you guys and get to know you personally through these videos. And also through some more academic discussions. So I look forward to meeting you soon.